guys, welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time watching, please subscribe, join the family. Stay, don't go, you're already here, you might as well stay, right? Exactly. So today's video, and I'd like to say thank you so much for my return subscriber. Thank you guys, I love you guys to remain back. Thank you for the support. So today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys some skincare from Evenprime skincare. I am brand new for this brand. They contact me, I don't know if it was an email or Instagram, but and then they asked me if I want to try some of the products. And you guys know that this channel, I love all that has to do with beauty, makeup, skincare. So I say, yeah, no problem, send your product and I will give it a try. Just give me a week or two so I can try the product actually for a few days to see the result, the outcome of the skin. So it's now the time for me to do the review. So I've been trying the product for a little while now, and I have to say to you guys, I really like the product. It's very, what can I say, clean. So and this set is like a 3-product set, and it comes a gel cleanser, a facial moisturizer, and facial mist that you spray all over. So we're gonna be trying these 3 products on the in camera today, and so you guys can see how they perform. Even though I've been using them for the past couple of weeks. So if you guys like to try them, they were sweet enough to give you guys 15% off if you decide to try. You just have to click on the link that I have here below, and when you go do your checkout, you just put the code FITFashionista 15 for 15% off if you decide to try it. Well, I like the product. The first aspect that I like about the product is fragrance free. And being fragrance free is a big thumbs up, because a lot of people, they are sensitive to fragrance, like my good friend and my husband. My husband can stand fragrance on anything, even his body lotion is fragrance free. I love a good fragrance, so don't mind me. You know, I'm just speaking for other people. For myself, I don't mind a little fragrance on my skincare, as long as it's not overwhelming, so I'm okay with. So yeah, but that's one thing that I like it. The second thing that I like is that this product is made in Korea, and in Korea they are really, they have fabulous skin, flawless skin all the time. So they are on point with all the skincare and all the makeup product. So this was a 1+ for me. And the second one is these products are not tested on animals. This is also a big plus for me. Alright, so I have here a little wet facial cloth now. And one thing that I tell you guys about this product from Evenprime skincare is it smells clean, really clean. Doesn't have like a fragrance or not, which, you know, some people prefer things without fragrance, and you know, I think it's preference, you know. I don't mind a little fragrance on my skincare. Yeah, so I don't mind a little bit fragrance, but I don't like when the fragrance is overpowering the product. You know, but a lot of people prefer no fragrance. Like I have a friend that she can stand fragrance on anything. So when we go out sometimes, she even asks me, please don't wear perfume. Yes. So the cleansing gel, it's very light on the skin, I would say. Alright, so now that my skin is all clean, dry, normally I would go in with the facial mist for Evenprime skin, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna go in with the moisturizer. And then something else that I note about this is actually good for every skin type. Moisturizer is very light. I have a mirror down here, so if you catch me looking down in the mirror. you guys saw that a little bit of the product that I put on hers went a long way. So yeah, the skin looks, you know, good after I apply. Soft. And now we're gonna go in with the mist. Favorite part. Very nice, very you know, this is the first time that I try anything from this company. It's Evenprime skin, I think, and this is a little set of 3 that you get the gel cleanser, and you get the moisturizer, daily moisturizer, and you get the facial mist. That's really cool. And that's how they come in a little box like that. And you have here the 3 products. You have your daily gel clean. Universal standout product do not contain paraffin, mineral oils, artificial dye, or animal derived ingredient. Okay, so that's a good thing. So this is a cruelty-free product, and does not contain any paraffin or sulfate and any mineral oils. I don't like things that have mineral oils because actually for me it clogs my pore and burns me out, so this is good. So it's dermatologic tested, and it's good for all skin types and help balance the pH of the skin, which is fabulous. Yes, so this is good. So like I said, I'm new for this company, but the company is from South Korea. And if you guys know one thing about the South Korean, that I watch a lot of videos, I listen to a lot of people talking about, and the one thing that they are nuts about is the skin, how the skin look. And so, you know, they're gonna make fabulous skincare and makeup. This is the daily moisturizer. An all-natural light daily moisturizer that hydrates the skin while helping to control the excess oils and shine, fortified with a vitamin and the antioxidant Centella acetica and the cacaduplum naturally revitalize the skin and protect against environmental stress. Okay, galactosides and niacinamide are, so that's really nice. So that's actually help protect your skin against environmental damage, which is fabulous. And like I tell you guys, this is cruelty-free, paraffin-free, dermatologically tested for all skin types, and it's very light and it feels really good on the skin. You guys see how my skin looks beautiful. So I like to say thank you to I think that's how you spell, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna link the link below here for them, for Evenprime Skin. And they were kind enough to let me have a coupon code to share with you guys. I just gonna look here, I'm gonna put it down here below for you guys. What I was looking for, they actually was nice enough to give you guys 15% off if any one of you decide to try the product. So the discount code for the 15% off is Fit Fashionista 15. I will gonna add here on on the screen for you guys, and I'm also gonna add in the description of this video. So if you decide to try, alright. And I also gonna be adding the description of this link. So now that you guys see that the product works amazing, my skin looks and feels fabulous. That's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you guys have any question about Evenprime skincare, please drop in the comments if anyone of you like to try, and I'm gonna put the link on the description of this video. So you just click on the link, and if you decide to try, you just go there by and put your code in, and you got your 15% off. And the product is fabulous. I am enjoying. Thank you so much, Evenprime Skin. So that's all for this video. video. See you guys next video. Bye.